This How to 1 Minute will show you how to delete blog from Blogger. Deleting any blog from Blogger website is very easy process. First of all, log into your Blogger and now you have to select the actual blog that you want to delete. So click on this drop down and select the blog that you want to delete. Now click on settings. And here scroll down and search for manage blog section. And inside of manage blog section, you will get remove your blog option. So click on that. And here note one thing, that deleted blogs can be restored within 90 days before they are removed forever. You can back up your blog by clicking on download blog and then click on delete and click on permanently delete. And that's how we can delete a blog from Blogger. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.